Lloyds Bank. In today's video, we are going to review Investment ISA Lloyds Bank. So let's get started. Lloyds Bank offers an investment ISA that allows you to invest in a range of funds while benefiting from tax-free growth. One of its key advantages is it is ready-made portfolios which make investing easier for beginners. You can choose from different risk levels depending on your financial goals. However, fee can be a drawback. Lloyds charges an annual firm fee, and if you are actively managing your investments, transaction costs can add up. Additionally, investment options are somewhat limited compared to other platforms that offer more flexibility in choosing individual stocks. Overall, if you are looking for beginner-friendly investment, ISA with managed option, Lloyds Bank is a solid choice. But if you prefer more control and lower fee, other providers might be better. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.